This video is going to cover Objective 2.4 practice tasks. My screen may look slightly different than yours through some of these because I already did this project once, but for the most part everything will be the same. So open the customer table in Datasheet view. So you're going to double click on customers. Once the table is open, you're going to select the fields company name, contact name, and contact title. And you can just do this in one solid swoop like that. And then you're going to create you're going to create a quick start data type named contact basics. So you're going to go to fields, go to more fields, and you're going to scroll down to where it says save selection as a new data type. Name is going to be contact basics. Then hit OK. Then hit OK again, and then create a new table in design view. Add a field named contact ID. So I'm going to close out of this, hit create, go to table design, type in contact ID, and this is going to have an auto number data type as well as be the primary key for the table. And I'm going to hit Control S to save the table, and I'm going to name it contacts. And mine already exists, so I'm just going to replace it because, like I said, I did this project once previously. So with a new contacts table created, I'm going to switch to Datasheet view. And then I'm going to go to fields, and I'm going to import those template fields that I just saved. And those are going to be called contact basics. And then those fields get imported into this table, and I'm going to hit Control S and then close out of that table. Then open the campaign expenses table in design view and create a validation rule. So I'm going to go to campaign expenses and open it in design view, and the validation rule is for amount spent, and I'm going to type the validation rule in. Here is going to be less than, so shift comma 1200, and then type in the validation text. The amount is too large, exclamation point. Then save the table and switch to Datasheet view. And then it says update the amount spent field in the first record to 1201 cent, and then click away from the field. Observe the message, access displays. Then click OK in the message box, and then update the value to $11.99.99. So where it says amount spent here, you're going to type in 1200.01, and if you try to hit the down arrow, it'll say that it's too large, and we're going to backspace that out and type in 1999.99, and then hit the down arrow. Oh, not 1999. We're going to type in 11.99.99, and then hit the down arrow, and then that amount is now not too large. Then it says for the campaign expenses table, use the name and caption command to update the caption property for the date purchased field so it reads purchase date. So date purchased, we're going to go to fields, and we're going to choose name and caption, and the caption is going to be purchase date. Then hit OK, and now it'll read purchase date. Then it says save the table and then switch to design view. So I'm going to hit Control S and then switch to design view and change the format of the date purchased field to a medium date. Date purchased, and I'm going to go to format, and I'm choosing medium date. Then it says create an input mask for the date purchased field that uses the medium date format. So click underneath input mask and click on this build button all the way over here on the right. I'll hit yes to save the table, choose medium date, hit next, and then hit finish, and then you've now created an input mask for the medium date field as well. Then it says open the access to for results, and you can compare the two databases. But this completes Objective 2.4 practice tasks.